Urtsa Pastor w'Ekigombe ekiri kwegaitiramu abashomesa omu ihanga ekya Uganda National Teachers Union ekiri kumanywa nka UNATU mu district ya Kagadi. Solomon Musinguzi ashoborere ngu abashomesa abarikurenga omuri 16 aba primary hamwe n'amashomero ga secondary ag'abantu buntu nibo bari omu kihome aha rimanda omu kihome kya Mambugu Government Prison aha nshonga ezikwatirine n'amabanja okuruga omu Rubamanerenda hamwe n'ebindi bitongore ebirikukora sente omu ihanga. Ogu ashoborere ngu ekisubi kyona nikiriga aha buremeezi obw'abashomesa barikurabamu bwanyuma y'omushahara gwabo okuguma guri mukye munonga
muno. Okwesanga ngu abo obusente obutoito obubakutunga abegesa baitu bamalirize nibatunga nibalya amabanja maingi muno obugamazire kubahingura naho basoba batakiyasobora kugasasura kandi kyabaletereza abagabahozire kubasiba omunkomo. Ali nkubaliza Mambugu abaire hali abegesa 16 aba primary n'aba secondary habwa loan zibalire batakusobora kuzisasura.
Muringo nugwo gumwe Musinguzi ashoborera oburemeezi butari bumwe na bumwe obw'abashomesa omu district ya Kagadi barikurabamu okukira munonga. Ogu ashoborere abantu ab'ebyobutegetsi abarikwetaasya omu murimo gwabo oteriho n'okugira ngu abebembezi omu district egi tibarikubafaho okuhika n'okugira ngu bagyenzi baabo oku barikufa tibarikufuubwaho kutunga obuhwezi bw'okubaziika.
All district officials from the CAO, the district education department were all invited. We can't tell whether they had other commitments, all of them today, but we did not see any of them attending to us.
Ebyo bikiri aho oryomyeshenyera habw'ishaza lya Buyaga East Honorable Eric Musana acyari obwiro ry'omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gw'okujaguza ekiro ky'abashomesa muri Kagadi asasira abashomesa aba ab'oburemeezi obu barikurabamu ate nikwo kwetombeitira ab'ebyobushobozi omu district n'emwe ab'obutafa abashomesa oteriho n'obutataaha mukoro gwabo. Ogu ashoborere kwarikuza kutwara okwetombeita kwabo omu ishengero ry'ihanga.
Mumanyire ba CAO tuyine bainga, we have about 4 na Abrahono tuyine ba RDC bainga, tuyine bana oba mukwetegereza na Abrahono. Not, we need to invest. We need to invest. Even if you are not a teacher, we need to invest. And invest in a project that will bring in reasonable income, reasonable money to your family.
Mushaki weitu agambiriho n'abashomesa batari bamwe na bamwe kandi aba betombeitira b'ebyobushobozi omu district egi abarimu CAO umurambuzi mukuru w'amashomero hamwe na chairperson w'entebe ya 5 oteriho na RDC wa district egi Lilian Ruteraho abo butabafaho.
Multiple loans okwisana gwire mu ntana ya Hansana. Very many people are suffering. We are suffering. You look a way out, you fail. So please, we are asked or we are kindly urged to move slowly. But let's go slowly.
Omutwe mukuru ogw'ekiro ky'abashomesa ky'omwaka ogu kubeguru valuing teachers' voices towards a new social contract for education. Makuraga gasha kwa Andrew Musinguzi wa Sky TV ya Genshonga muri Kagadi.